One of the things you'll need to know for the certification exam is how to find area. Let's begin by going and drawing this shape. I'll come over to rectangle by center, and that was 100 by 150, so I'll lock to the reference plane and come in here, and that was 100 on the base tab by 150, tab across and accept that. Come over to sketch view. Then I'd like to put a line for the triangle to the midpoint, back to the base. Then I want a circle, and the circle was tangent to this edge and these other two edges. So then I'll come up to the tangent constraint. So I want this tangent to this and this tangent to this. So there's our basic shape. So if we'd like to find the area, I'll just clear everything, get out of whatever command I'm in. I'm going to come over here to inspect. So under inspect, I see area. So if I want to find the area of just this above the circle, it'll tell me exactly what it is, 2274.02. So I can go around and click on any of these closed regions and find the area. Now if I hold down the control key, you can pick multiples and then just escape to get out. So again, area, want to find multiples, you click on one, hold down the control key, click on the second. Now if I'd like to find the length of a line or multiple lines, we can come up here to total length. So if I click on total length, so I'd like the total length of those two lines. Click on that. Tells me the length's 316.23 millimeters. This is a great way to do math really easily. All those problems in trigonometry are way simpler like this. And again, if I came down to total length and I just did this one line at the base, obviously that should be 100. If I did this line, this single line, see right now it's on chain, so it says you want to go do the total length of the whole thing. I'll click on that and it's 500. You could add that up, 150, 150, 300, 400, 500. So that's correct, 500. But again, if I come to total length and I don't want it to be measuring all, I just want to do a single. So if I just want a single line, I'll click on a single line and that's 150, and obviously we know that because that's the shape we did, 100 by 150. And an easy way to verify that would just be to put a dimension on it, just to confirm. So just in review, I'm going to come out again and draw a rectangle and come along here to inspect. Oh, why is this grayed out? Why can't I find the area anymore? If I come over to the area command, I can't select it, it's grayed out, and I can't get to any of these regions. So again, this is what I see students run into and they think something's broken. The reason why is you have to have the lock on. And there's two ways we could do that. One way we could do that, we could come back to the line command and select the reference plane and lock. But another way to do that, to make sure you're getting this actual sketch, is to come over to the sketch. You can expand right there and you see the sketch. Right there, if you right mouse click and come down, it'll say lock to the sketch plane. So by locking to the sketch plane, then if we come to inspect, the area button is highlighted. So now I can pick on area and find that area. So this is just something to be aware of. For the area command to work, you have to have the lock on.